Most people think wealth is built through one big moment, a lucky investment, a high salary, a successful business. But in reality, wealth is usually built through repeated habits, small behaviors that seem unimportant in the moment, but completely change someone's future over time. So in this video, we're breaking down the most powerful wealth-building habits and the psychology behind why they matter. Because wealth is often less about intelligence and more about behavior. 1. Delayed gratification. This is probably one of the most important wealth-building habits of all. The ability to sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term freedom. And honestly, modern life makes this incredibly difficult because almost everything today is designed to give instant gratification, fast delivery, instant entertainment, one-click purchases, buy now, pay later, dopamine on demand. So when people finally have extra money, the natural instinct is often, I deserve to enjoy this now. And sometimes that's completely fine. The problem is when short-term rewards become a lifestyle, because wealth builders often think differently. Instead of asking, what feels good right now? They ask, what will this decision do for me years from now? That's why many wealthy people delayed luxury spending, lifestyle upgrades, expensive habits in the beginning, not because they hated enjoyment, but because they understood freedom later often requires discipline now. 2. Consistency. Most people underestimate how powerful consistency really is because consistency feels boring. It's not exciting to invest every month, save every month, improve slowly, repeat the same habits for years. People love intensity, big motivation, big goals, big transformations, but wealth is usually built through repetition. And honestly, this is where most people fail. Not because they lack potential, but because they stop once the excitement disappears. Wealth builders understand something important. Motivation is temporary. Systems last longer. That's why automatic investing becomes so powerful. Not because one investment changes your life, but because repeated actions compound over time. And the difficult part is, in the beginning, consistency barely looks rewarding. But years later, it changes everything. 3. Living below your means. This habit sounds simple, but psychologically, it's one of the hardest habits in modern society because every time people earn more money, their lifestyle usually expands with it. Better car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more luxury, more pressure to maintain the image. This is called lifestyle inflation, and many people quietly trap themselves financially this way. From the outside, they look successful, but internally, they're financially dependent on constantly maintaining that income level. Wealth builders often do something different. Instead of increasing spending at the same speed as income, they increase ownership. They keep the gap between what they earn and what they spend as wide as possible. And over time, that gap becomes investments, assets, opportunities, freedom. Because many people don't realize, wealth is often built quietly through what people don't spend. 4. Emotional control. Many financial decisions are emotional decisions disguised as logical ones. People spend money when they feel stressed, insecure, bored, lonely, successful, rejected. That's why emotional control becomes a wealth-building habit. Not because wealthy people never feel emotions, but because they don't allow emotions to constantly control financial behavior. And honestly, modern marketing understands human emotions extremely well. People are constantly sold status, validation, comfort, identity through spending. That's why emotional spending becomes so common. Someone feels bad, so they shop. Someone feels insecure, so they flex. Someone feels overwhelmed, so they avoid checking finances completely. Wealth builders usually learn to separate emotions from money decisions, especially during investing volatility, market crashes, financial setbacks, because emotional reactions often destroy long-term wealth faster than bad strategies do. 5. Long-term thinking. Most people dramatically underestimate time. They want fast results, quick wealth, immediate proof. And because of that, many people quit too early. But wealth builders think differently. They think in years, decades, compound growth. And this changes decision-making completely. Because once someone starts thinking long-term, small actions suddenly matter more. For example, investing early, learning valuable skills, building healthy financial habits may not feel life-changing immediately, but repeated over 10 or 20 years, the difference becomes enormous. And honestly, long-term thinking is difficult because modern culture rewards short-term stimulation constantly. But wealth is usually built slowly before it suddenly becomes visible. 6. Assets. One of the biggest mindset shifts wealthy people make is this. They stop only focusing on earning money and start focusing on owning things that grow. These things are called assets. For example, investments, businesses, real estate, digital products, intellectual property. Assets are powerful because they can continue producing value without constantly trading time for money. And psychologically, this changes how someone sees income completely. Most people focus on, how much did I make this month? Wealth builders often focus on, what do I own that can keep growing? That's why many financially successful people prioritize ownership over appearance. Because ownership creates leverage, and over time, assets can create cash flow, flexibility, financial independence, while active income alone often keeps people stuck in survival mode. 7. Skills. This habit is massively underrated because many people focus only on saving money while ignoring their ability to increase income. Wealth builders often invest heavily into skills, especially skills that increase value, leverage, communication, problem solving, earning ability. For example, sales, marketing, content creation, negotiation, leadership, technology skills. And honestly, for many people, investing in skills creates a bigger return than small investing gains in the beginning. Because skills compound too. A person who becomes more valuable can earn more, create opportunities, build businesses, adapt faster to change. The challenge is, skill building often feels slow at first, and many people quit before the rewards become visible. But over time, high-value skills quietly change someone's financial ceiling completely. 8. Environment. Most people underestimate how much their environment shapes financial behavior because humans naturally adapt to the people around them. If everyone around someone overspends, normalizes debt, avoids growth, complains constantly, that behavior slowly becomes normal. And social media intensifies this even more. People constantly compare themselves to lifestyles they weren't meant to financially sustain. That's why wealth builders often become extremely protective over their environment, influences, habits, social circles, because environments shape standards, and standards shape behavior. This doesn't mean abandoning people, but it does mean understanding that constant exposure affects decision-making more than most people realize. 9. Calculated risks. Wealth rarely comes from playing life completely safe forever. And honestly, this is where many people stay stuck, because they want guarantees before moving. But most major opportunities involve uncertainty. For example, starting a business, investing, changing careers, moving environments, building something new, all involve risk. The difference is, wealth builders usually take calculated risks, not reckless risks. They research, prepare, think long-term, but eventually, they still move. Because waiting forever for certainty often becomes its own risk. And many people slowly realize, playing life too safe can quietly become dangerous too, especially financially. 10. Compound growth. This might be the most important wealth-building concept of all, because compound growth applies to almost everything: money, skills, habits, health, relationships, audiences, businesses. Small actions repeated consistently create massive long-term outcomes. But the difficult part is, compound growth feels invisible in the beginning. At first, progress looks tiny, which is exactly why most people stop too early. They underestimate consistency, patience, time. But wealth builders understand something powerful. Big results are often delayed results, and once compound growth finally becomes visible, it starts accelerating much faster than people expect. The truth is, Most wealth-building habits are not flashy. They're repetitive, intentional, sometimes even boring. But over time, those small behaviors quietly create completely different lives. And honestly, wealth is rarely built through one perfect strategy. It's usually built through repeated habits that slowly improve decision-making, discipline, ownership, patience, and long-term thinking. Because in the end, wealth is often less about what people know and more about what they repeatedly do. So, which habit do you think changes lives the most? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more videos about money, psychology, human behavior, and modern life, explained simply.